Hello everyone, my name is Mukesh, Civil Development, and my teammate name is Deepak Sanjay from Civil Department. We are going to take a topic about most popular construction estimating software in estimation, costing and valuation. Um, we took a case study about this topic.
Topic next. Introduction. Cost estimation as a function within the construction industry is supported by an ecosystem of estimating software tools. Therefore, their future are support in day-to-life in estimation. Go through all of the building estimation. One of the best thing. This is a mostly construction building software. There are present here. There are 7 types in. First types in plan sheet, Snappy, clear estimation, SCSS, heavy bid, active takeoff, build trap, MC, comic estimation software. First thing, plan sheet. Plan sheet does not one takeoff and estimation solution that upload a construction blueprint. Actually, click and easily available to estimation software. This is plan sheet. Next slide. This is software. The software is key feature is main point and click. There are all measurement equal length, volume, measurement are go to easily available to. Why should we use this software? Architecture, cost estimation and contractor will be tool improve the construction process of take up the estimation. Next is Snappy. Snappy is a job costing module that help the contractor and subcontractor. Contractor is plan is easy available to easy attract to the workers. You will explain the more details. Best of the Snappy is this user this job. Next slide. This is a use this software. This is a main key feature is a mobile. Number day to life is a GPS or location or then easy to not system work. This is available to daily mobile work is a contact to upload job sites and ability to fix expense, manage time and costs, upload photos. Why should we use this as small and mid size of the both residential and commercial building? Next topic you are going to Mukesh explaining.
Clear estimates. Clear estimates offers features such as a proposal generator, automatic calculation of labor and materials, document managers, and contact management. Additionally, the tool offers building proposal templates that make the process of creating and sending bids faster for contractors. The key features of this it's automated proposal generator and integrated with the cost data book, remote IMAX for localized pricing. Who should use this software? Small and mid-sized contractors such as home remodelers can use this software anywhere. Next, HCSS Heavy Bid. HCSS Heavy Bid is a cost estimation and bidding solution that offers features such as cost estimation templates with automated calculations and repository of post estimation and parts of setting up quick bid approvals. Mostly, the key feature of its repository of past cost estimates that can be used to quickly create new estimates by simply dragging and dropping bid items. Who should use this software? HCS Heavy Bid. Civil contractors working in heavy construction such as mining, earthwork, bridges and highways can use this software anywhere. Deepak will take the next topic.
Next topic, active takeoff. Active takeoff is a estimation and takeoff the software offers future in management, on-screen editing, and automated calculation or materials, building materials and equipment, and more than things of subcontractor and required to the project. Key feature is a multiple kind of digital format, PDF, JPG, and most of things scanner, image, vector graphics and bitmap image. Next. This is software. All of the pick in plan plan should be converted to the scanner, document, and another JPG as a loading, uploading. Who should be as a software? Home builders, flooring, roofing, and finishing contractors that want to optimize the estimation and takeoff solution. Exit. Builtetra. Builtetra is in construction takeoff the estimation solution. Future is CAD image. CAD image is most of the plan executor in a contractor. We easy available to workers in a Excel sheet like to the calculating the materials and labor. The solution is an additional module for bid management and project reporting. Next, this is a slide for summary. Estimation costing and valuation is a summary. Summary is a 2-room building or 3-room building and simple veranda. All are calculate easy calculate to this feature is available. Q-Future is an integrated bid manager module that allow users the export costs estimation report to automatically create bid proposal. Who should use the software? Civil engineer and construction management who the estimation help in track project reports and detailed reports. Next. MC Cogni estimation software. This is software is a take up the AutoCAD drawing or image a different format of PDF, PNG, etc. or JPG. Digital estimation dashboard with a trade space specific of the database integration and documentation tool for change order management. Additionally, he told to support third party integration with solution. Contractor with agreement signed to the resource the Sage 300 construction. Next, this software is site engineer to easy available work in this location job. Q-Future built in the integration with the electrical equipment using database and net pricer and trade service. This is the planning about the electrification, plumbing, and the more specification. First to and last to build up the work in. Who should be the software? Electric contractor looking at the estimation solution, the commands with the build up in integration with rate specific or cost database are the most available in contractors and workers and laborers. Thank you for giving opportunity. Thank you.